What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel Road Glide Daily. I'm your host Daniel, and today we are doing an unboxing and assembly of the Rabaconda Tire Balancer. So I got this in the mail a couple weeks ago along with the tire changer, which I have a video of the unboxing of it, and I decided to go ahead and knock out this. And it was really hard not to go ahead and cut into these and open them up, but wanted to do a video, so here we are. All right, let's just see how difficult or easy this thing is. If you watch my other video on the tire changer, it is not difficult at all to take out the box and assemble. You know, glance at the instructions, and it will pretty much speak for itself. Right there, we got the wall mount. Nice, nice. And now you have the owner's manual. I don't see any stickers in this one like the other one, but that's okay. And now you also have, oh, this is already in the bag. There we go. Boom. Nothing else in that box. So if you watch the other video of the tire changer, all the parts are on top of the bag. This one feels like all the parts are in the bag. Pretty cool little design they have on the bag. I mean, it's not, I like that they didn't just leave it plain. Let's see what we got in the bag. More packaging. And that. I like that this one, they have more individualized compartments. If you watch the other video of the tire changer, you see you got like 3 compartments there for stuff to fit in, and you got the main compartment there. I like that they have individual compartments. Shall we? All right, this looks like the base. There we go. And this is one of the arms. Come with a screw in the bottom, so it looks like you're just going to fit it right there and to the side and tighten it down. And then this feels like the spindle. There we go, there's the spindle. And this feels like the other arm. There we go. So here it looks like this takes an Allen. Let me get an Allen key real quick. Let me put these on and tighten them down. I wonder if they've included an Allen key in here. I just don't know it. I don't think so. So there's this little tab here that you take this screw out, this bolt, and you're going to put that tab inside that little slot, I presume. And you're going to put that right there. Now you're going to screw it down. The same thing for this one. There's a little tab here. Put the screw in. There's that. And there's that. And if you're on a nice surface, there you go. And there you go. This does have a Allen set screw here so that you can adjust this, and then you have your finer adjustment right there, is what I presume. But for an unboxing video, I mean, this is pretty straightforward. I am not sponsored, by the way. This is something I purchased out of my own money. That's cool. It has like a little magnet right here, I guess, for something. There you go. But I'm excited to use this. I don't have a tire right now that needs any balancing. As soon as I do a tire change, I will do a video of it. Let's go ahead and break it down and put it back into the bag and see how easy that is. So first you're going to take your spindle dowel here. I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to, you don't have to take that screw all the way out. You can just do what I did right there and do that. There's that. And these three fit nicely into those three compartments. And you can zip this up. Now your main compartment here, you can go ahead and put your base in. That is it. And if you really wanted to, you have enough room here to put your wall mount, which I'll just go ahead and leave it in there. That is it, guys. That is how easy. You still have room for the manual too. That's nice. Look at that. There you go. You know what? I'm an idiot. I just realized that this has a pouch on the front. There's the stuff in there. Look at that. They didn't forget me. Okay. So there is a plastic tire changer right there. I mean weight changer. And they give you some nice little screws and anchors if you're going to wall mount it, and some Allen keys there. That's cool. Go ahead and put that in there just in case I forget. Put them back in there. There you go. Thank you, Rabaconda, for not forgetting to pack that stuff. I'm just an idiot and didn't see the pouch on the front till just now. So there's that. Packs away, nice, easy storage. So if you're on the go, you need to balance some tires, change some tires. Both their systems seem very, very efficient. I'm excited to use them. I can't wait till the first tire that I get to change, whether it be mine or a friend's or someone else's. But I'm looking forward to not having to wait in the dealership anymore, and just, you know, the hassle of all that. I can just do it here in my garage now. So thanks for watching. As soon as I get other videos on changing tires, I'll do a review on both these systems. Thanks for watching. What is going on, guys? I wanted to show you real quick before the absolute end of the video what I did with the Rabaconda Tire Balancer. And that is I mounted it to the wall that you see here. That is a 1x12 that you see. I just screwed it into 2 studs. And this comes with the wall mount. You don't have to buy that separate. I made sure that it was level across, and I raised the little foot pegs here to make sure that this was level. So everything is level. We're all good there. And the reason why I mount it to the wall instead of just leaving it on the ground or something like that is because I'm a little tight on floor real estate. And if I get to work in here on the motorcycle or on the lift too much, you know, I can always take this off the wall, put it back into the bag, or, you know, take it off the wall and just move it in general. But I just didn't want to be kicking this all across my floor or things like that, or knocking it over. So I did put my weight on it, make sure that it was sturdy, make sure that it would hold a tire. I am fairly confident that it will. So yeah, looking forward to using it when the time comes. Until then, thanks for watching. Check out my next videos.